Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while since I blessed you with an oil video. So today I have decided to bring you the cinnamon oil. In this video, I will show you how to make cinnamon oil. This is very easy and there are so many uses of cinnamon oil. It's very good for hair growth. If you have gray hair and you want to color it up, cinnamon oil is going to make your hair darker and it is going to prevent gray hair. It prevents hair fall and hence increasing the length of your hair. It can also be used on the skin as a skin oil. When used on the skin, it gets rid of blemishes and it brightens up your skin. It gets rid of dull skin. So enough of the talking, let's just get started. So first of all, we are going to need some cinnamon, and as you can see here, I have some cinnamon powder. You can use the cinnamon rolls if that's what you have. You just have to break them into pieces and use it. So I'll get a pan and come in with about 3 teaspoonfuls of cinnamon. Now I'm going to come in with some oil, and I have chosen olive oil. You can use coconut oil or any oil of your choice. It's just up to you. And I must say, if you want it very concentrated, you have to use less oil, but if you want it a little dilute, just use some more oil. So afterwards, I'll put it on very low flame and mix it with my ladle. Now this is going to warm it up. You don't have to let it boil. If you realize it's boiling, just put off the fire. It will be easier and better if you use a double boiler. I'll keep on stirring till the oil has been induced very well. This will take about 20 minutes. Afterwards, I'll put off the fire and allow it to cool down. I'll get a bowl and cover it up with a clean handkerchief, or you can use a cheesecloth if you have one. Now I'll transfer the oil into the bowl through the cloth. This will strain it and prevent any grains from entering the oil. So here we are, our cinnamon oil is ready. Now I like to use my cinnamon oil as a hot oil treatment. This is very great for hair growth. And I must say, you can leave it on too. You don't necessarily have to wash it off. The smell of cinnamon is not bad. I also love to use this as a massage oil sometimes. So this is it guys, and I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, please don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.